welcome back to my channel, and we are in the car, and you are gonna come shopping with me. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone you think might like it, and let's do it. So since you guys liked the last video I did over the holidays where you guys came shopping with me to Sephora inside JcPenney, we are doing it again. I have partnered with them to show you some of the latest things that they have in store, exclusively in store. And they have been kind enough to do a giveaway for one lucky winner. So you're going to have to stay to the end to find out about that. But let's go shopping. Let's have some time at JcPenney, and let's have a good time. Let's hang out. Let's have some girl time. And we're gonna go for a little drive, so let's do it. You know what makes this blog kind of special, or vlog I guess I should say, by the way I'm stopped at a stoplight, I'm not doing it, is that this is the last vlog I'm doing in California. So I'm happy to have you along on this journey. As many of you might not know, we are moving to Colorado. I am doing a whole video on that as time progresses. You guys will see it and everything. But this is a little bit of a kind of nostalgic trip for me. It's the last vlog I will do in California. So feeling all the feels right now. All right, so we're almost there. Okay, so I'm at Makeup Forever, and they have one more of their brand new palette. So I'm just gonna grab it, and we'll kind of see at the end what I want to keep. Funny story for all of you that don't know, back in the day, I used to work for Makeup Forever a long time ago in a Nordstrom. Love that brand, such good quality shadows. Okay, so I am looking for cover effects. No, I'm looking for Milk because I want to try their new primer section. So this section is everything that's new and only at Sephora inside JcPenney. So we got some Orgasm, which is one of my favorite color blushes in the new kind of limited packaging. Cute little trios by Benefit. Ooh, the FARSALI. Interesting. Oh, here's the Milk primer that I wanted to try. And then we've got a bunch of sets, which I absolutely love. These are really great valued sets. Perfume and some primers. Here's some lip sets. I love it. What do we got over here? Oh, this is the Fenty Body Lava by Fenty, obviously, and I've been wanting to try this. It's supposed to be really, really beautiful. And we got some new Anastasia, a new Anastasia palette. Ooh, here's Natasha Denona. This looks like right up my alley. It's only 25 bucks. This is the mini nude eyeshadow palette. Super pretty. This is actually a brand that I have not heard of. I think is it Kaja? I'll figure out how to spell that or how to say that. Here are some new One Swipe shimmer eyeshadows. So we're gonna probably pick up a couple of those. And then we got some new Huda, some lips. New lips from Fenty. Oh, they have another new gloss bomb. I might grab that, actually. This one is in Fussy. Perfect. It's some new stuff by Too Faced. They have new Peaches and Cream Peach Puff. It's long hour wear, kiss proof wear lipstick. Cool. All right, let's see what we're gonna get here. All right, so we did it. I got it. This is Michelle. She helped me out this time. So I got all my goodies. We're gonna go home and I will share with you what we got. All right, thanks Michelle, I appreciate it.
Of course, come back anytime.
Bye. If I get everything with one hand. Life of a vlogger. All right, bye, thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, so there's a lot of good stuff, and I am going to another JcPenney. I'm going to another Sephora inside JcPenney because I want the new Marc Jacobs concealer, and they didn't have it at this location, so I am going to go and find that. Okay, bye. All right, so what I ended up getting was the FARSALI Rose Gold Skin Mist. It's supposed to be able to be a primer as well as a rehydrating spray. I got the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I got the Marc Jacobs concealer from another Sephora inside JcPenney, and I am so excited about it. It looks amazing. Can't wait to try it. And I got the new Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the other one, the Gloss Bomb, but it's in Fussy. It's a different color, so I got that. I got 2 of those eyeshadow quads that I was telling you about, as well as my little birthday gift, which I was excited. I didn't pick up yet, and then that is it. So that is it. I'm gonna go home and I will create some looks for you with these goodies. I'm super excited to jump in. All right, bye. All right, so we are back. It is a few days later and we are going to try out all of these new goodies. So the first one is going to be, and what I think is fun is that I never tried any of these products before, so we're gonna do it together. So this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is from, obviously from Milk, and it is, let's see here what it says. It's hemp derived, which you guys know I am loving to seeing CBD used more often in skincare and cosmetics. So it has a hint of hydro, which is hemp derived cannabis extract, hydrates the skin to plump, smooth, and blissed out skin. It grips, it says, a shot of blue agave, holds makeup all day for a super fresh finish. Has aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins. So that's great. So it has some skincare in it. And this is obviously, as we know, Milk is known for, oil-free, silicone-free, which I love. Green tinted formula, goes on clear to work across all skin tones and skin types. And it says pump 1 to 2 shots of primer on the hand and then blend a thin layer onto clean skin before makeup application. Allow formula to dry for 1 minute or to fully absorb for 1 minute. Okay, so we're gonna do that. All right, so let's do this. Here we go. And I will check in with you a little bit later on today. Maybe we'll give it a little wear test to see if this has really done a nice job on holding the foundation on. So here the primer is, it's basically clear. I think the concentration is green in the center. Has no scent to it. I do smell a little bit of aloe, which is nice. It feels very, I thought it would feel stickier, you know? Doesn't feel very sticky at all. It goes on really smoothly onto the skin. And I said just to apply a thin layer. That went on beautifully. All right, so while that sits on, we are going to take a few moments to let it sit, and then we'll go back in for foundation application. I'll be right back. All right, so the primer has been on for 1 minute. This primer is supposed to allow your makeup to last longer. So it doesn't have pore filling qualities, which I'm sure the Milk Blur Stick over it would be fantastic. But we're gonna go in with the new Bare Minerals Stick Foundation, and we're gonna get to applying. So the foundation is on. It did not go on any harder than without a primer. The slip was totally fine. It went on beautifully with my hands, and you know I just press a beauty blender on over it after I am done. It looks great. It doesn't feel heavy at all. So we'll see if it elongates the wear. So let's go in with a little bit of eye makeup. So from the video you saw, I got these new gorgeous eyeshadows. They are from a brand that I'm going to figure out how to say, but it's Kaja. And they're gorgeous. They're little shimmery eyeshadows that you're supposed to use with your hands. So I'm going to build a little bit of a base, and then we'll use those with our fingers. I'm just going in with a transition brown shade. Just pick your favorite, because I have a little bit of discoloration that is natural to my eye look. And I have not put concealer on yet because you guys don't want to miss that. We're playing with the new Marc Jacobs concealer. All right, so now I'm just going in with a little bit of a deeper brown. These are all matte colors. So in the palettes I'm going to be using next, they're shimmery shades. So I want to build some depth with the mattes first and then add the shimmers as a highlight. So I think for today's look, I am going to go in with this beautiful guy, number 4, Sparkling Rose, and we're going to go with the deepest shade first. I'm just going to use my finger. This is exactly what it says. It's super pigmented. They're not glittery shades. They're like a satin finish that really is going to be going well with textured on the eyelids because they're not glittery. They're that kind of satin finish. Pretty. And then I'm just going to take my brush and blend that in. And they stick really well. I'm going to go in with just my brush now with that same color. So when you use your finger with these colors, the shimmer of the eyeshadow stands out more. And so if you want a little less shimmer, you can use a brush. And if you want more of a shimmer, then you can use your finger. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this beautiful guy, and he is number 2, Orange Blossom. I think they're just such pretty shades. And I'm going to go in with this peach shade right here. So pretty. And we're just going to pat this right here. Woo! That is electric. That is gorgeous. You know what? This would be beautiful all over the lid as a very easy summer eyeshadow. Look at that. That's beautiful. You know, all over the lid. Wouldn't that be gorgeous? Just as like a nice wash of color. Oh God, that's pretty. Wow. Big fan. Those are gorgeous. That gives a really nice pop to the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go finish the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now what we're going to do is finish off the eyes before concealer. We're going to go in with the very first color in the same palette. I'm just going to use it on a little brush. And I'm going to use this on the inside corner. So pretty. They blend really smoothly. That's really what I'm noticing here too. All right, let's play with the new concealer. Yay! All right, so here is the new Marc Jacobs concealer, and it is a stick concealer. It is very, very pretty. I have used color Fair 16. So how you're supposed to use this with your finger and use it sparingly. This is going to be a perfect concealer for touching up if you need to have, hide a blemish or hyperpigmentation, as well as give a really great under eye smoothing, very blurred out finish to the eye. So I'm just going to use very little bit. And you can actually start with it just on your finger if you'd like as well. But I suggest starting less is more with this concealer. When I tried it on the back of my hand in the store, I really wanted to just make sure I used little light layers. It is extremely creamy. So if you're looking for a little bit of a concealer that can go either full coverage or lightweight, this concealer really can do it all. And it goes beautifully in with your finger. The warmth of your finger with this kind of formula really helps blend it out. Wow, that's really pretty. That is gorgeous. I don't think it would sit into fine lines. It's not sitting into mine. I'm just touching up just a little extra right here where I need it, just on this section of the eye. And for me, I like to just bring this a little bit out to lift the face up. I will set this with a powder underneath the eye, as well as I think I'll set the rest of the face because I do with this foundation anyway, and I'll be right back with that to talk to you a little bit more about my last 2 items. All right, loves, so we are back. I just finished off the eyes with this one, the Sparkling Rose. I just ran this color underneath the eyes. And then part of this one, which is Orange Blossom, I used the very first color in the corner of my eyes. And I really like how the eye look turned out. I think it's really, really pretty and stunning. Very, very quick to do. So everything is on. It feels really good. I'm going to finish off with a little bit of a setting spray or rehydrating spray. So this is a new brand for me. It might not be a new brand for you guys, but it's a new brand for me. I've not really tried anything from them. It's the FARSALI line, and this is the Rose Gold Skin Mist, 24 karat gold infused hydrate, prime, and set. So I probably obviously could use it as a primer, like a hydrating primer, and that would have been great. It says 24 karat gold infused priming and setting. It does contain rose hip seed oil, which is nice because that's a brightener. and it does control oil and gives you a grip on the skin if you use it as a primer, which is really fun. I'll look forward to using this again. And then it does obviously set the makeup. So great. So let's try to do that. It's going to give you kind of a glowy, hydrated look when you use it. The spray on it is really nice. Ooh, it has a nice scent to it. Very like kind of fruity, refreshing. So there we go. It just kind of blends all the powders together, rehydrates the foundation. Now let's go to something, since our eyes are a little bit darker, we're going to go to something new from Fenty. All right, so this is brand new from Fenty. This is her new gloss bomb. I liked the first one, but it was a little too fair for me. So this one is called Fussy, which I think is super cute. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. It smells really good. So these are her universal glosses, so they'll look good on everyone. This is going to be a great go-to lip color just to like wear about town or top off on some sort of lipstick. But this is beautiful. This is much more suited for my skin tone for sure. It is kind of more on the pinky side than the other one, which was a little bit more gold peach. All right, so here is the final look. I'm really enjoying the new products. You know how much I love bringing you some new products and showing you how to use them. Especially I try to pick brands that I really don't usually work with. So I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for being here. Comment below which one of the products was your favorite and that you look forward to trying. And also in the description box will be everything linked if you want to take a quick peek at them. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves. And if you're going to stay to the end, I am doing a wear test on this foundation to see how well the primer works, so stick with me. All right, party people, you have made it to the end. I just wanted to share with you what everything looks like. We are 5 hours later. Foundation looks fantastic. It has not moved. So that primer really did a nice job in keeping things on for a long time. It doesn't feel heavy or heavier than it did before. It feels super lightweight. So we are good to go, and everything is staying on super nice. Really, really enjoying it. I did add a little bit of a lip stain on. I think that spray by FARSALI really adds a nice glow to the skin. You can see that I have a nice little glow going on here, but I have not needed to touch up or anything, so yay, yay, yay. So as far as the contest goes, or the giveaway goes, make sure you check in the description box. It's picked at random. All you have to do is just leave a comment below, and I will pick a winner 24 hours after this video goes live. And if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and let me know you want me to do more of these, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.